The power within, why powerful punches matter. Whether it's boxing or self-defense, a powerful punch can be a game changer. It can turn the tide in a match or save you in a critical moment. It's not just about brute force. A powerful punch combines technique, speed, and strength. Each element plays a crucial role in delivering an effective strike. It's about maximizing your body's potential to deliver a strike that's both effective and impactful. Proper training and conditioning are key. Imagine yourself in a situation where you need to defend yourself. The ability to throw a strong punch can be a crucial skill. A strong punch can deter an attacker or give you precious seconds to escape. It can be the difference between safety and danger. In the boxing ring, a powerful punch can end a fight swiftly and decisively. It can be the defining moment of a match. But power isn't just about knocking someone down, it's about confidence. It's about believing in your own abilities. It's about knowing you have the ability to protect yourself and those around you. This confidence can change how you approach life. Mastering powerful punches is a journey of self-improvement. It's about dedication, perseverance, and continuous learning. It's about pushing your limits and discovering the strength you have within. Every punch you throw brings you closer to your true potential. So let's embark on this journey together and unlock your true punching power. Together we can achieve greatness. Building a strong foundation, stance, and footwork. Every powerful punch begins with a solid foundation, your stance and footwork. These are the building blocks of effective boxing. Think of it as the base of a pyramid. Without a strong base, the structure crumbles. A weak stance can lead to poor performance and even injury. Your stance should be balanced and athletic. Feet shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent, and weight distributed evenly. This ensures you are always ready to react. This provides stability and allows you to move quickly in any direction. Quick, agile movements are crucial in both offense and defense. Footwork is all about generating power from the ground up. Proper footwork can make your punches more powerful and precise. It's about transferring your weight efficiently into each punch. This transfer of weight maximizes the impact of your strikes. Practice stepping into your punches, using your legs to drive your body forward. This technique enhances both power and reach. Don't underestimate the importance of footwork drills. Consistent practice can significantly improve your overall performance. Shadow boxing, jump rope, and agility ladder exercises can significantly improve your foot speed and coordination. These drills are essential for developing quick reflexes and maintaining balance. Unleashing explosive force body mechanics for powerful punches. Understanding the fundamentals of body mechanics is crucial for any fighter looking to enhance their punching power. Powerful punches aren't just thrown with your arms. They require the coordination of multiple muscle groups working together. They originate from your core and involve your entire body, working in perfect harmony. Engage your core muscles to generate maximum force. Think of your core as a tightly wound spring ready to release its energy. This tension is what gives your punch its explosive power. As you punch, rotate your hips and torso explosively, transferring power from your core to your fist. This rotation is key to delivering a powerful blow. Keep your punches compact and efficient. A compact punch ensures that energy is not wasted and is delivered directly to your target. Avoid overextending your arms, as this can lead to loss of power and potential injury. Proper form is essential to maintain strength and prevent harm. Instead, focus on delivering a short, sharp blow with maximum force. This technique ensures that your punch is both powerful and precise. Remember, power comes from proper technique. Consistent practice and attention to form will enhance your punching power. Practice shadow boxing, heavy bag work, and partner drills to refine your body mechanics and maximize your punching power. These exercises help in building muscle memory and perfecting your technique. Alright, so let's dive into how plyometrics can elevate your punching power. Plyometrics, or jump training, involves explosive movements that can significantly boost your muscle strength and speed. When you incorporate these exercises into your routine, you're not just training your body, but also your mind to react faster and more efficiently. Now let's talk about shadow boxing. This is a fantastic way to practice your form, speed, and technique without the need for a partner or equipment. By combining plyometrics with shadow boxing, you're setting yourself up for some serious gains in your punching power. When it comes to mastering powerful punches, practice is absolutely key. But hey, it's not just about the quantity of practice, it's about the quality. Make sure you're paying attention to your form and technique with each punch. Remember, patience is crucial. Progress might seem slow at times, but with consistent effort, you'll see improvements. It's like building a house. You need a solid foundation before you can start adding the details. So, keep practicing, stay patient, and watch your power grow. You've now got the tools and knowledge to start your journey towards developing powerful punches. Remember, it's a continuous process of learning and improving. Stay dedicated, keep challenging yourself, and don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone. With time and effort, you'll see the results you're aiming for. So keep pushing forward and make every punch count. Your journey to powerful punches starts now.